So those are small little ports back there behind the subs?
Yes, yeah.
I've never seen that before.
But it gets the job done.
Yeah.
I'm very underpowered.
Nice. Can we chat real quick? Can we chat real quick? Windows up. That's a little quieter to talk. And then we'll put them down for the demo.
If you want. Yeah. It's nothing special. I had to turn around and so that's as far as it goes up, you gotta hold it in.
Right here?
You're gonna put your hand on the inside and push that way on the inside.
This way.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
There we go. All right.
But no, it's very underpowered.
So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Austin.
Okay.
It's a slap audio 3K on two VXF12s. And that's it.
Any other equipment?
There's a little 400 watt amplifier back there for the two mid ranges on the rear deck. I haven't got anything in the doors yet, but it does the job.
Awesome.
It does a 144.60 on the glass. I mean, that's kind of for a trunk build and being that far from the, this much cabin space.
So this is considered a trunk blow through, you think, or?
Yeah.
Or a trunk fourth order?
It's a 6 order.
Oh, 6 order. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So those are small little ports back there behind the subs?
Yes. Yeah. There's a whole other chamber below.
Who designed this?
Buddy of mine, Alicia.
I know him real well.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does good work.
He's the town car master.
Oh, yeah.
That's who I went to.
Nice. What are the RMS on the subs and the amp?
The amp's a 3K. It's only one ohm stable. I got it wired to 0.5. It barely gets warm.
Wow. So you're getting more than 3K maybe?
Yeah. But the subs are what? They're like 1500, but 3K max. They're nothing crazy.
Alright.
But which one am I looking for?
And stock alternator or upgraded alt?
Yeah, I'm just battery to battery. I got a second alt in there, a brand X270 to run separate, but we're having regulator issues, and it's running the charge like really high.
No door speakers?
No, not yet. I haven't got them in.
So you just have stuff in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
No, it works. Alright.
I'm trying to find this one.
You're good. Who built the box? You said Alicia built it. Do you know anything about cubic size?
No.
All good.
It's just built a demo. It's supposed to have, I'm like extremely underpowered, like I said, and I should have like an 8K on it. Yeah, it should actually be windy.
Okay.
That's alright.
Demo's better, windows down?
Yeah.
That's great for
I wish I was at my potential though, where it should be for your videos.
Oh, you're good.
So,
It's all good.
When I get up there, I'm gonna have you get another demo.
No worries. I appreciate you watching videos, JacobViral. Yeah. And work in progress, that's almost every build. Everybody
This is my first build. So.
Oh, wow. So you're doing great for your first build.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice. I'll come in a second.
discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.